Hello everybody, this is Neely from Pixel Perfect Bloom. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a template for the small tin of Pringles chips. If you are here in your Canva homepage that look like this won't look the same for everybody, but what we're going to do, we're going to click on this custom size, create new. Going to click on that. It's going to open this box for you, and we are going to make it in centimeters. So here is where you choose in what metrics you want to work. So I'm going to choose centimeters here. Then you're going to type in at your width, you're going to type in 24.5 centimeters by 7.9 centimeters. That is the size for a wrapper or a label around the Pringles, the small Pringles tin of chips. So now we're just going to click on create new design. And then it's going to open like this. I'm just going to zoom out a bit. Here's your zoom feature inside of Canva, and then you're going to go here on the left side to your elements tab. I always tell everybody this elements tab is your Google inside of Canva. Anything that you want to use in your design, you're going to search here at the elements tab. So when you just click on the elements tab, it's going to open some things for you. It's not going to look the same for everybody, but then you just scroll down, because we are looking now for Canva frames. Yes, your Canva frames. You see it says frames, but it got this little landscape with a cloud or something. This is what we're looking for. So I'm going to choose this one. Just click on it, then it will open in your workspace. So now this Canva frame, in all of my templates I use Canva frames. If you're not familiar with Canva frames, that's a feature inside of Canva that makes it easier. Any background that you choose, when you bring it in, it's going to grab it, so you don't have to resize and move it. It's just going to grab it automatically. So this is an easy template. That's why I'm showing you how to do it yourself. You can just drag it, the whole size of your template. When you go here to the position, just to see that it's centered and everything. So this is the background for your Pringles label. Now I'm going back to the elements. I'm going to choose another frame. I'm going to add it. This frame, when I click on it, is for the middle part of your label. So I'm just going to go here to the position, then this open here at the side, then you just scroll down, and I'm not going to lock it because I'm going to make the width, it's going to be 9 centimeters, and the height, the same of the label, 7.9. Okay, and now I'm going to go and center it, align to page. See, I'm going to send it to the middle and center it. So now it's in the middle of your label. The background label leaves you about 0.5 centimeters overlap. So this is in the middle. If you want to add another background that's not the same as the background of the whole label, So now I'm going to show you. Let's do a denim background. Okay, so you can go choose if you want to go under graphics, under photos. So I'm going to go with graphics. Just going to choose one, and then you see I just drag it over, and there the frame of the back, just grab it. So now I've got this frame that I can use something else. Let's see. Oh, there's a quite nice zipper. Okay. This is quite nice. So now, with a busy background, with a busy this in the middle, I think we can just add some, say, happy birthday. Now we're just going to choose some words that's going to fit into that area there. Okay, that happened because the frame still wants to grab everything that you put on top of it. So to work around that, you will just click on this frame, you will right click and you go to lock, then you just lock it. You show there it's locked. So now you can't move or do anything to this frame. It won't grab the elements that you add now. Okay, so if you're happy with this one, then you will just give it a name. I suggest that you name all your designs so that you can easily look it up. Okay, so now I'm going to download it. I'm going to go to my share button. I'm going to download it as a PNG. And then I'm just going to save it. Okay. But now, say that we didn't want this. Yeah. We only want to work with the background there. So now we are just going back to our elements tab. I'm gonna go with a shape. Okay. Now we're gonna go here. We're looking for this position so that we can get to the dimensions. So now we're gonna put it again. It's 9 by 7.9. Okay, center it. Okay, now you're gonna go to your border style. About 2. You can decide what you want to do. Okay, then I'm gonna go to the color. I'm just gonna say no color. So now when you click on this, you go to your position. You can see it's middle to right, it's centered. You can even change the color to white to stand out more. So now you know when you design, your design have to be in this box. So now you can add some more. If you say happy birthday elements, let's just see what kit. Okay, once again, go onto the frame, right click, lock, so that you can move your elements in here. You can go see what you want to add. Maybe what I will do, nutrition facts. That one is not going to work. This one is the empty one. You can change the color. You see the color is red. You see the color is black here. You go there. You can go change it. This one is the empty one, so you can go fill in everything there if you want. And then just before you save your design, you're just going to delete this box, because you don't want this on your finished design. This is just your guide, so then you just go delete it and you go download it as your PNG and go save it. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you want some more information, diving deeper. But I hope you have fun with this one. See you in the next video.